friends, welcome back to Super Cuisine Delicacies. Today I have bought a new recipe that is chicken curry, which is vary from my other chicken curry recipe. This curry you can have with rice, chapati or bread. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, like, share and press the bell icon for my new updates. Without wasting your time, let's start the preparation. For marination, to chicken, add salt as per taste, add half teaspoon turmeric powder, add half lemon juice, mix well. Add 1 teaspoon chili powder, add 2 teaspoon coriander powder, add 1/4 teaspoon cumin powder, add 1/4 teaspoon pepper powder, add half teaspoon garam masala. Mix well and keep aside for 45 to 60 minutes. Place kadai on slow flame. Add ghee, add oil, add fennel seeds, add cinnamon, add cloves, add cardamom seeds, add bay leaf, stir well. Add 2 sliced onion on medium flame. Add slit green chilies. Add 1 sprig of curry leaves. Add salt as per taste. Fry with stirring. In grinding jar, add 2 sliced onion, add 3 sliced tomato, add ginger, add garlic cloves, close lid and grind. Make smooth paste. Stir together. Slow down flame. Add 1 teaspoon chili powder. Add 2 teaspoon coriander powder. Add 1/4 teaspoon pepper powder. Add 1/4 teaspoon cumin powder. Add half teaspoon garam masala. Mix well for 1 minute. Add 1 sliced tomato and mix well. Add grinded puree. Mix well for 2 minutes on medium flame. When you see oil separates from gravy, add marinated chicken. Stir in. Add 1/4 cup water. Give a mix. Add little coriander leaves. Close lid. Cook for 6 to 8 minutes. Open lid and mix. Add little water. Add salt as per taste. Mix together. Close lid and cook for 5 to 6 minutes. Open lid and mix well. Check whether chicken has been cooked. Cook further for 2 minutes. Turn off flame. Transfer to serving bowl. Hot and tasty chicken curry is ready to serve. Thank you for watching my new recipe. I hope you might have enjoyed watching this recipe. Don't forget to try this recipe and share your comment in my comment box. See you soon with my new recipe. Till then, take care. Bye.